rhythmic patterns with nature. So for instance, the alignment of patterns with the moon as a different way of orientating ourselves and our cycles, our energy rhythms, which of course links to the feminine, it links to woman, it links to the fact that our culture is patriarchal, has been in a space of a very dominant and at times destructive masculine or patriarchal energy. And of course what we're wanting is a shift back towards some kind of a balance. So already just linking to some degree consciously with the moon cycles, which is not just a cultural sense of like resting during a new moon and celebrating during a full moon, but also linking with the women of the culture. And the women hold a lot of the wisdom, the mothers hold a lot of the wisdom that we as men often need to balance out our own masculine energies. So if we can more centralize that rhythm and allow ourselves to then find our empowered, like masculine space, role, energy in service to a healthy, nurtured, supported, loved feminine that's allowed to be in its power, I think that would be a great thing for our culture, our society, and for all of us on a mental, emotional, spiritual level.